In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to kick someone off your PlayStation account on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first, search for PlayStation on a browser. You can also use your phone and then go to the PlayStation website. Now here, wait for it to load, and after it's loaded, in the top right side you will see a sign in button if you haven't signed in. So click on it and sign in, and after you have signed in, click on your profile icon, then click on account settings, wait for it to load, and after it's loaded, go to security, click on continue. After the security is loaded, go down. Here you will see sign out on all devices button. Click on it and click on OK, and you will be signed out on all devices, and if someone is signed in, they will be kicked out of your PSN account. So this is how you can do it, and thanks for watching.